Ever tried changing your Facebook page name but couldn't? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change your Facebook page name. This works the same on both Android and iOS. So first, open the Facebook app on your phone. At the top right corner, tap your profile picture and switch from your personal profile to the Facebook page you want to edit. Once you're on your page, tap the page's profile picture again to open the page menu. Now scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, and then go into Settings. Inside the settings, scroll until you find Page Setup and tap it. Here you'll see an option called Name. Open it, type in the new name you want for your page, review it, and then save your changes. And that's it. Changing your Facebook page name is super simple once you know where everything is. If this video helped you out, make sure to like or share and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.